Hello everyone. Welcome back another Lightroom tutorial. In this video I will show you how to edit Orange and Teal effect using Lightroom Mobile. Here are example photos before and after using this filter. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, subscribe now. So let's start editing. Open Lightroom Mobile. First go to Lights. Exposure to +40. Contrast to little bit to +10. Highlights decrease to -41. And shadows to +20. +10 to whites. Then blacks to +40. Next step to select curve adjustment panel. Following the steps. Done. Next go to color. Temperature to +6. Tint +2. +61 to vibrance. Saturation little down to -6. Select mix adjustment. Select red color. Hue to +10. Saturation to -12. Select orange color. Hue to -16. Saturation increase to +20. -10 to luminance. And select yellow color. Hue down to -85. +24 to saturation. And +20 to luminance. Then select green color. Hue decrease to -100. Saturation to -50. -20 to luminance. Next select Aqua color. Bring hue to +60. Saturation to -51. Luminance increase to +30. Select blue. Hue to -80. Saturation to +85. Luminance little down to -10. Done. Then next step, go to Effects and select Split Tone panel. Bring highlights value to Hue 193 and saturation 8. Shadows to Hue 26 and saturation 17. Done. Back to Effects. Clarity to +20. +10 to Dahaz. Last step to final touch. Select to Details. Bring noise reduction slider to 30. Finish. Before and after. Now let's try it. Copy this preset to another photo. If you want this preset, you can download the video description from the link. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget subscribe and like. See you next video.